Hey, what is going on, everybody? It is David here helping you play creatively. Today we're going to look at 3 Oscar Peterson chords, and I say Oscar Peterson chords, really these are the way he voiced these chords. Now these chords are a 7/3/6 progression in the key of C, and I'm going to give one of my friends credit for showing me these chords. All right, I went by his house one evening and we were having dinner. And then I was like, hey man, what are you working on? We started talking about music theory, and then all of a sudden he pulls out some sheet music and he was like, have you ever heard this? And I heard it and I was like, whoo, gee, oh, it's fire. All right, and the reason why we liked it so much was of just the way it was voiced, okay? You don't even think of this as being a 7/3/6 progression, but really that's what it is, all right? So when I say 7/3/6 progression, I'm referring to the 7th degree of the C major scale chord-wise, which would be a B diminished, all right? Referring to the 3rd, which would be E sharp 5 sharp 9, and then an A minor 7 chord, all right? It's really a minor 2-5-1, but we're using 7/3/6 so we can think within the C major scale, okay? So if you're just looking for like some cool Oscar Peterson chord voicings for like lo-fi stuff, here you go, okay? The way he's doing this is really, this is a B minor 11, okay? And then, but he's omitting the B, okay? And so the notes are E, A, and D in my left hand with an F sharp, C sharp, and E in my right, okay? And then he gets to that E sharp 5 sharp 9 chord by playing an E, G sharp, and D in the left hand with a C major in the right, okay? And C in second inversion, okay? And then we have this G major chord in my right hand, okay? D, G, B, and D with an A, E, and B in the left, okay? And then the way I'm playing it is I'm putting a grace note from that B flat to the C to give it a little bit more flavor. All right? Okay, now, how would I use this in another context, okay? Maybe I'm not playing lo-fi, but I want to utilize these chords in some way. Well, remember, this is a 7/3/6 progression, so you can use this as a passing chord, okay? And so a song that we can look at as an example would be As the Deer, and we have, let's see. As the deer panted forth. Okay, so it's pretty cool. As the deer panted forth. All right, and so I'm just treating these chords as passing chords going to that A minor. Okay, so I'm going as the deer panted forth, but I am using those Oscar Peterson voicings over it. Okay, and then another song that would be a good example would be, let's see, What a Friend We Have in Jesus. So, what a friend we have in Jesus, all our sins and griefs to bear. Right here. What a privilege to carry. All right. So I hope you see how you can apply this progression going to the 6th degree of the scale as a passing chord, and then you can just, quite frankly, learn these chords and just use them as like jam chords, all right? Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, you know what you gotta do. You gotta like and subscribe. And if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, go to play-creatively.com, where you can find workshops, courses, and other resources that will help you grow in your piano playing journey. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you next week.